What's going on, guys? So today, I do know I look a little goofy with these glasses on. Don't get me wrong, I laugh about it, but they are a special type of glasses because today I'm going to be melting some silver, trying my hand at another silver pour. I had a buddy of mine who I'm going to give a shout out to. His name's John. He made me an awesome die. So, not sure if you can see that or not. I'll try and get some better close-ups of it for you. So I'm basically going to be pouring an actual coin and then stamping the coin itself. Let's check it out, see what happens. Still some leftover silver. Just pour her up, get her rolling. Pour some extra, hopefully make a couple blanks. All right, so now I'm gonna be attempting to stamp this thing. Let's give it a shot, see what happens. I removed some of that borax that was on there, kind of roughed the surface a little bit just to try and get it as clean as possible. That way it wasn't all dirty. And first we're going to heat up this coin and then we're going to stamp it. Pull that one off there. Put this guy up and try this one. That one's a little red. Cool down. All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3. That one's a nice one. See if you can pick that up. These ones you can see, the first one not so much, that second one a little better. So this is my picture studio / background for anything, but let's see here. So this is the order that they got done in. This is my first one. Definitely left an impression. You can feel it. It's very light on the side. This is my second one. It's on the rough side, and I gotta figure out a better way to polish up these. Basically, I just don't want to waste a bunch of silver, so I'm just trying to fine tune it without actually wasting anything, or because all these can get remelted, and I can just try again. But if I go to like polish the front of it, then I'm gonna lose a little bit of that silver when I polish it up, because I got to go through all the grits, especially with that borax on the surface. I got to get the borax off, or figure out a better way to incorporate that borax, I guess. If any of you guys have any comments or suggestions, just let me know. But this here was the third and final one, and I did it on the reverse side. So on this side was the borax, this side was the side that I poured face down, and I struck this 2 or 3 times, and this one looks great. Other than a couple of these bubbles, a little bit of extra borax that was on there. I mean, honestly, it looks like a nice coin. Nice and raised. That looks pretty dang good. Well, that's going to be it for this week's video. Thank you for sticking around. Be sure to click that like and subscribe. This is definitely a rough version of my final product, so eventually there will be a nice and polished one. We'll see you next time.